What's up everyone, Marissa here, and in this video we're going to be talking about how to make money while traveling the world, $1,000 per week, and a proven strategy. Alright guys, so in this channel, if you are new to the channel, what I talk about on this channel is making money online and teaching you guys how to create passive incomes with different income streams. And so the goal is to try to get you guys to live a life of time and freedom location so that you can have whatever dream lifestyle you are aiming for. So if that's something you're interested, go ahead and feel free to subscribe to the channel right now. And also if you're returning, I appreciate your support. And so without further ado, let's get into it. Oh, and one other thing before I get into the main content of this video, I wanted to tell you guys that I have a free video training series that goes over this topic more in depth, and you could check that out in the first link in the description. All right, and so today's topic, like how to make money while traveling the world, that's exactly what I do. Right now it's May 16th, 2018, and I've been traveling the world since January 3rd, all while generating an income online from simply my laptop and an internet connection. So I've been able to make it work even in, third world countries and, traveling around in Southeast Asia, and it's been amazing. All right. And I just had my biggest month online the past month, $5,000 in revenue. And so I wanted to share you guys the methods, the number one proven strategy that has gotten me to that point. All right, guys. So let's talk about the key thing that you will need in your business to make money while traveling the world. All right, guys. So I drew out a couple of things here on my whiteboard that if you've been in the internet marketing space at all, whether you're a newbie or kind of been a seasoned marketer, you know about these things that I have here in the circles. You know about picking a profitable product, you've heard of sales funnels, you've heard of building email lists, you've heard of a platform or picking a lead generation machine, as I would call it. So like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, or whatever it is to attract people and build an audience. You've heard of a niche, like picking a niche that you want to dive into for your affiliate marketing business. So these are all very, very, very crucial things for your online business. However, they are not the number one strategy to making, $5,000 a month and $1,000 per week in your business. All right. So, and you might be thinking, well, what the heck, Marissa, like you talk about these things in your other videos, like what are you even saying right now? So I made a huge mistake. Let me just tell you guys, when I first started out online. So my story is kind of different. I first started out in affiliate marketing, and like a lot of people, I got, how do I say this? I got anxious. I was super excited. I had these big goals that I was going to make 6 figures by my 90-day mark. Like it was crazy. So I had these huge, like unrealistic expectations. I mean, big dreams are good, but you have to set realistic goals. So I started out in affiliate marketing. I licensed these products that were pretty high ticket, and I was only able to make like 1 or 2 sales, and I was really bummed out. And the biggest mistake I made was like I didn't build my own audience. And I'll explain what that means in a minute. So I got a little down, and I got discouraged. So I quit affiliate marketing. I'll put that here. I quit affiliate marketing, which was a huge mistake, by the way. Like, I don't know what I was thinking. Huge mistake. All right. So then what I did was I went into the land of e-commerce, which is cool. It was actually how I had my big breakthrough as making money online in my first year of entrepreneurship. It definitely wasn't easy. There's a lot of moving parts to e-commerce, But I enjoyed it and I made it work, and it was something I did. And I also coached and consulted a lot of people. All right. So I had my success here. But after a while, I started thinking a whole lot about affiliate marketing and this type of business model. And I knew that it was something that I wanted to go back to because I knew I could build this business and be super duper successful at it. So here I am, about a little over a year later after I quit affiliate marketing, and I'm back at affiliate marketing building this business, all right? And I'm starting to have really good success. And I anticipate, just like I did in e-commerce, I anticipate a 6-figure year by the end of 2018, all right, guys? So what has been the biggest difference with my success between trying affiliate marketing out right here, this was in early 2017, and to where I am now, affiliate marketing in 2018? What's been the biggest difference in my business? So right here, I have number one strategy, question mark, affiliate. I misspelled affiliate. Sorry, guys. OCD about that. All right. So the biggest difference that I've seen when trying affiliate marketing again and being successful at it is building my brand. All right. Now, some of you guys might be rolling your eyes, but I'm telling you right now, stop rolling your eyes, because if you do not build your brand, you will not be successful. I promise you that. You can drive paid advertising to cold traffic as much as you want and forward it to a product, but that's not a sustainable business for long-term success. Building a brand is going to set you up for success for life, all right? So what I did was, I'm like, okay, let me back up. People like me, I know that. People like my story. People like what I represent. So I need to capitalize on that, portray that on social media, give value, and start to build my brand. So that's exactly what I've been doing, all right, guys? So if you go to my YouTube, which you guys have probably seen since you're watching this video, if you go to my channel, this is my message that I relay. All right, I'm an online entrepreneur, globetrotter. I'm traveling the world, and dream chaser. So my message to you guys is to have your dream lifestyle in business too. So why I do that, why I have a message, is because it inspires or creates an emotion. All right, so your brand needs to, when people visit your brand, you want to have them, you want to impact them with emotion. So when they leave your channel or whatever social media platform that you're on, they will remember how they felt when they visited your brand and your website, okay? So why this is so important is because people always think that they have to master all this stuff first. Profitable product. No. Getting good at sales funnels. No, that is not the number one strategy. Building an email list. No. Finding a profitable niche. No. Choosing a platform to drive traffic. No. And why? It's because if you don't have this first, none of this will be able to come into play, and you won't be able to truly monetize these skill sets that you're going to learn if you don't have this first. Let me see here. Let me put a star. Your brand. Because your story, you guys, is super powerful, and people are going to relate and connect to your brand and your story and your message like crazy. So here's how it works. You have your brand. I'm just going to put B, and then you have your message. All right. And then you have your emotion that you stir up with people when they visit you. And then you pick a profitable niche and product. Niche. I'll just put NI because it's hard to write. And then product. So now, if people are connecting with you, with your brand, and they understand your message, and they understand, and it creates an emotion with them, now when you drive traffic, whether it's free or paid advertising, to the product, you are going to make the sale. All right? Because it's a simple formula, guys. People drive from people. And when you do this method and create your brand, you're creating a warm audience. And you don't have to deal with cold traffic because people are already warmed up. They're already accustomed to your brand. They're already liking what they see with you because what you're doing when you're building your brand is you're creating value and what we call attraction marketing. So you're doing attraction marketing and you're creating massive value every day, or at least you should strive for every day. So what does massive value look like? It means sharing things that you've learned, reviews, sharing things you've learned, such as like review videos, free trainings, free trainings, how-tos. All right, just kind of, if you wanted examples, just look at my channel and, you know, just model after it in whatever niche you're in. All right, because that's exactly what I do. I, you know, show case studies, I do how-tos, and I share my lifestyle. That's also part of attraction marketing, is just sharing your lifestyle. And that's how people connect with you on a personal level, even though they don't know you. Sharing your lifestyle. Because, I mean, if you think about it, people will connect with you on YouTube like crazy purely because of video, and they're getting to know your personality, even though you're not sitting there literally in person, face-to-face, talking to them. They like coming back to the channel because you give good value, all right? So that is the main message that I wanted to get across to you guys today, is to focus on your brand. If you're struggling with any of these things, I guarantee it's because your brand does not have a solid foundation and you're not working on it. Be patient, build your audience, give value every single day. If you can't do every single day right now, promise yourself you'll do it 5 times a week, even 4 times a week if you have to start somewhere, all right? So I hope this was helpful, you guys. Please let me know if you got any value at all. Just give me a thumbs up if you did. Drop me a comment below if you have any questions at all. And of course, smash that subscribe button if you haven't already, all right? So I will see. If you haven't already, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, and I will see you guys on the next video. Have a great day.